Alright guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Well, this is actually the first tutorial I've done on my channel, so not welcome back to another tutorial. Welcome to my first tutorial on my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you, as you saw from the title, to fold an origami crane. It's one of the most classic origami models you'll find out there. Probably the most classic. Like, if you just search origami, you'll get origami cranes. And a bunch of stuff by Robert Lang. I think his name is Robert. Yeah. Okay, anyway. So, we're going to start with a square piece of paper. If you're using kami, which is origami paper, you want to start with the colored side up. And you're going to start by folding diagonally in half. Like so. Okay, crease sharply. Then we're going to unfold. Turn 90 degrees so that the fold you just made is perpendicular to the ground. This way. It's that way. It's parallel. It's vertical. Then we're going to fold the other way. So we're making like an X out of creases in our paper. When you fold, you should see the white side on top, as you can see from here. Okay? Then we're going to turn the paper over and align it so that we have the X in the paper. And then we're going to fold perpendicular, vertical, and horizontal, and however you want to say it. That way. Make sure you line everything up nicely and crease sharply. Okay. Then we're going to turn 90 degrees and do it the other way. Kind of messed up the lining on that one, so I'm going to redo it. Okay. Crease sharply. Alright. Then what we're going to do, we're going to open it up, alright? So it's like this. We're going to take these 2 points, and we're going to bring them together and collapse it downward. Okay, I'm going to redo that. These 2 points, bring them together, and then bring those 2 points together down to this point. And then just fold it down. And we have created what is known as a square base here. And we should have the open flaps on the bottom. Okay? Now we're going to fold it so that this side, only the top flap, grab only the top flap and fold it so this side aligns with this crease that goes through the middle. Okay. We're going to do that on the other side as well. Unfold, do it on the other side. Alright, okay. Then we're going to unfold that, and we're going to fold the top of the model. And we're going to make a fold that goes from that point to that point, where you have those 2 folds. And this point should line up with this fold. Should be on that crease. Make sure you got everything all nice and lined up. That looks pretty good. Now we're going to crease that. Alright, unfold. Then we're going to, this is a bit of a tricky step, okay? We're going to open up this flap, right? And we're going to fold on this crease. But it won't want to stay, right? So what we're going to have to do is we're going to reverse these folds so that they're mounted folds. Like that. And like that. Now, that should make it easier. And what you're going to want to do is just push those 2 down like that. Alright. And then we're going to turn the model over and repeat what we just did. So we're going to take the flap, fold it to the center on both sides. Make sure you line it up well. Unfold, do the same on the other side. Okay, and we're gonna just reverse this fold to make it easier. Okay, and then just do that step. We should have something like that. Okay. It's not very well lined up. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take this flap, right? We're going to fold it so that, give me a second. Okay, we're going to fold it so that this side right here aligns with the middle again. So take like that, crease, and do the same thing on the other side. When we're done, this will look kind of like, getting closer and closer to the end model here as we speak. Okay, now you're going to turn over and repeat on the other side. Like so. And repeat. So basically, we're just thinning that out. Now you should see this has like legs. We're going to call those the legs, okay? And we're going to fold it up so that this side lines up with that side. Kind of like, but it's going to just be parallel. It won't exactly line up, just like that. Okay, unfold. Do the same on this side. Okay. Then we're going to do a bit of a tricky step. It's not very hard. We're going to turn sideways, we're going to open this up, right? Then we're just going to bring this and fold it up on the creases we just made. And it should. And we'll collapse it. And you can start to see the crane coming together here. Now we're going to do this on the other side. Just collapse it down. Just like so. There we go. There we go. Now I think we'll make this side the tail, so it's not as good looking. Okay. Then we're going to take and we're going to fold the wings down. I like to fold it down. This is really just a matter of preference, how much you fold it down. I like to fold it down so that it folds between these 2 points, just that much. Then you can just take and line the other side up with that. And there you go. Then we're going to take and we're just going to push this part down, right? We're going to open this up, just push this part down, and then close it back up. And that's the head of our crane. It's not the best looking crane I've made, but there you have it, an origami crane. There's many variations to this model. You can make one that flaps its wings. I might show a tutorial for that next week. Go down in the comments, tell me what you want me to teach you how to do next week. Post tutorials every Monday. I think, yeah, that's it. If you want to stand up better, you can just kind of bring these apart. And it'll stand up better. And as always, thanks for watching.